I think we can all agree that 2023 has been Barbie's year. However, she has been around forever, and so has her dream house. I never had one as a kid, so I feel like now is my moment. So we're going to open the box and show you everything it comes with. So I have just opened the box and wow, first of all, it is jumping out to me like the colors are so bright, they're so vibrant, and picking up the pieces, this is not cheaply made. This is nice, heavy duty. I love, like, this is the pool. It is like branded with Barbie. Like, how cute is that? There are 75 different pieces that need to be put together. So definitely you need some adult assembly required, but you have well-labeled instructions. Some of the things I was looking at, for example, check this out. You have 1F on here. I saw like a 3B, a 4A. They are labeling it to try and make it as easy as possible for you, which is really great. Look at this. It's like the bed from the bedroom. So there are like 10 different areas in here. You've got obviously your pool. You have a 3-story slide that you are going to pop together. Again, heavy duty, feels really, really great. You've got a slumber party room, the closet, the kitchen, the bedroom. You have there's even like 5 different play areas for the dog, which is really fun. Honest, and look at the accessories. Accessories are all in bags labeled, so you know that this is one piece here. They've honestly have made it as easy as possible for you. This is going to become a huge staple in the playroom for years to come.